Let's start today by making a very simple login screen. What I need to do, I click on this plus to start something new project. I just click on it. So the size I'm going to use, so I select my frame, then I pick, let me use iPhone 12 Pro. So I just need to name this to splash screen. So the first thing I need to do, let me go ahead and import a logo. Let me place a logo, but I want the logo to be somewhere here. So I use my frame and just select where I want it to be. Then I go to fill, select the color, pick this so I can select a logo from my downloads. I think I can use this. And that's it. So I can have a loading screen. Let me just use my text to write loading. That's good enough. So I want to add this loading icon. So I click on plugins. I've already installed this plugin, Notifiers. So you can go ahead and install that as well if you want to use that. Okay, let me just type loading. Let me search for loading. And I can use this one. So I just need to insert the GIF file. I need it to be small, not big. So there I have it. Here. I'm going to drag it here and reduce the size a little. Okay, maybe I can preview this. Okay, so this file is outside. Let me drag it and drop it inside. So I have to drop this file inside this splash screen. So let me go ahead and check. Okay, so you can see it's loading. We have this beautiful loading screen. Okay, now let's have our next screen. Let's just have a little slider before we have the official login screen. Okay, so we can duplicate this, just Ctrl D. So I will not need this, and I will not need this. I will not need this as well. So I can just have a text that says welcome. And I would like this text size to be, let me make it larger. 36. 36 is okay. Then let me write the text here. Text, I can reduce the size to maybe 13. Oh, careful. That's good. Welcome to my official page. Well, this is just a text anyway. So let me just align this properly. That's too much. And this is good. So I think I can also have a skip button here. So let me put this all in caps. Skip and this. you have to make it blue. Okay, that's perfect. So I would like to have a slider so you can just slide through. So let me just make that. Okay, let me decide what size it's going to be. Yeah, fits perfectly. So I just take the frame out and drop it here. But let me add a fill so that I would be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's it. So I can have an image in the middle. So let me draw an image here. Let me draw a space for an image, and that's it. So I can fill it up. But this time around I want to fill it up with a picture. So select this picture, and then but let me change the ages. Let me just make the ages 12. Okay, so this is great. Maybe just reduce this a little, and then let me add a text beneath that says we are glad to have you join us. Let's centralize this perfectly. Okay, so then I can have I will use this ellipse tool to just draw a circle to show the position where it currently is. So I can hold Alt and duplicate this. So probably I need to make this darker. Just select a darker color. And back to my layer. From this, this should be centralized at least. This as well should be centralized. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let me just frame these two, the text and the image. So I right click here and select frame selection, or press Ctrl Alt G. So I can just duplicate this, hold Alt and duplicate, and make it appear this way. But see, it's outside this frame where we have this small box. So I just drag this frame back and put it inside here. So it's looking great. But I would want to change this picture here, this image here, to something else. Let me go through my image gallery. Okay, I think I prefer this. Let's use a car picture. And if you notice, my this is set to fill, so you can do fit, crop, tile, anyhow you want it, but I prefer that to be filled up. So I click on this frame. I click here to add to create a component. Create a component, and then I will add a variant to it. Click again, and you add a variant. See, we have two. So this time around, this other one and this one, I just need to select the two and hold shift and drag it along so it looks like this. Yeah, this in the middle, but this is still outside the frame, so I just need to bring it back. Where are you going to? I need to bring it back to the frame and to the second variant. So I can change this text over here to something like this. It is a pleasure to see you again. Well, this is just a dummy text anyway. So, okay, I now need to change this color. So I changed this one to be oh, okay. So I think this one should be the darker one here. Yeah, this one should be the darker one, and then this one over here can be the lighter one. I use my eyedropper to pick the color. Yes, so looking great. But then I want to be able to slide through, so I just go to prototype, and from here I click on this plus, drag it to this frame here. Then on tap no, I'll change it to on drag from property 1 to go to property 2, and it will smart animate. So I close it. This I drag this back upward. So for on drag, you should change to this smart animate. So I like that smart animate. So it should be there. Okay, this looks good. So I just need to take this back to here. So I click on my assets. I will be able to see it on my assets. So I just click it and drag it here, and make sure it's fitting properly. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so but then let me make this to go to this frame. So I just, while I'm still on prototype, I just click on plus, drag it to here, tap. Now let me just do on delay, after delay. So it's after delay. Let's set this to 3000. 3000, that's actually 3 seconds. Let this smart animate and move here. So let me see what it looks like. Okay, so let me just restart. Loads, and then it goes here. Yeah, that's perfect. So you see I can slide here and slide back. That's the beauty of it. So then I can go ahead and skip to my login screen. So let me make a final screen, which is the login screen. I just duplicate this. I don't think I need anything in here. Layers. So let me go back to my design. I won't be needing anything here. So I just need a login screen. Probably I just need to add a picture to this frame. Let me fill it up, but this time around with a picture instead of just colors. Let me look for a beautiful picture. Okay, let me use this picture I got online. Let me add another feel to it, maybe to make it a little darker. Then increase this a little. Okay, this is good. So I select a frame. Let me make this login kind of dashboard. Okay, let me add rounded edge 12. 12 is good. I fill it up with white. That's it. Okay, let me reduce this a little. Let me add a heading text that says sign in. I add a frame here, and then reduce this a little. Let me make this 12 as well. Then I need to fill it up, but let me change the color to something, something like this. Okay, I think the edge is too much, so let me reduce it to 8. 8 rather too much. Let's go with 5. Yeah, 5 is good. Alright, so I need to write a text, so let me write a text and say enter your email. 36 is just too large. 14 is large. Let me make it 10. So let me reduce the color, make it a little lighter. Enter your email. Then I can write here or So I can make this bold and change this to here. Select here, use a line tool and draw a line. Just perfect here. Okay, I can duplicate this like this. I think it's just too much. Let me change the color to this. Change this color to this there. Remove this image. Okay, so I can duplicate this. Hold Alt and duplicate. Or let's have something like sign in with Google. Oh, make it a capital G. But I can make this darker. Sign in with Google. Okay, so let me add the Google icon. I go to my plugins and I check for icon 8 Studio. So these are all icons that I've downloaded. So you can as well go ahead and check your plugins and you can just download an icon. So plugins, if you go to manage icons, then you'll be able to download one. So here 96. Oh, 96 is just too big, so I'll make like 48. 48 is still so big, but anyway, let me put it here, and holding shift I can reduce the size to fit in. Okay, so this signing with Google has to be here. Then I can duplicate this, but I wouldn't be needing the signing with Google. I just need here to do something like signing. Make it bold. Change this color to probably blue. Not that. I have to change the frame color. This frame fill. So I change the fill to something blue. Then make this white. Okay, I think this is great. And then I can add a button here that says don't have an account. Oh, what am I doing? Have an account. Sign up. Change this code. Okay, so I can then go to my prototype. From this skip, I can take this skip to here. So to untap splash screen, smart animate. So you can change the name of the screen anyway to log in. Okay, so let me just go ahead and preview. This looks good. So let's restart. Loads for some time. Yeah, there we go. So we can slide through and we can skip. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm not skipping properly. So what could be wrong? Skip on top of the screen. On top. It's not moving. I really don't know why. Okay, let me just make this bigger. Probably I'll be able to see it properly when I'm skipping. Okay, so it decided to work. Let's restart this. Load for some time. And then I can skip. Yeah, works perfectly. But then I think for final touches I can remove this. I can take this back to 30. Okay, so let's restart this. Load for some time. Come here, I can slide through and I can skip. Perfect. So this will be all for today. Thank you for joining us today. Do have a wonderful day.